we challenge you all to come and try the ultimate slab witch, made from slabs. Come and try it now. My favourite's got to be Monster Munch roast beef. Everybody does love a crisp sandwich, no matter who you are, what culture, what age. We've had people in from all over the country. I want to see this go all over. People are requesting shops to open in Toronto, London, Leeds, everywhere. We are England's first. We invite you here to try our crisp sandwiches. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Chocolate spread, marshmallow, lemon curd, cucumber I think it was.